cycling back to East London. Just a quick sit rep. I have 16 miles left, which is over 20 kilometers for those. Oh god, completely missed the lights there. All right, no. Sorry, that was a bit careless. So yeah, so around about an hour and 10 minutes left. A couple of breaks in between, so I've made some really good time up. We're back on main roads. So just wanted to give you a little update. I seem to be fine after the fall. Maybe it's just a little scrape. Doesn't look like I've got any major concerns. Wrist seems okay now. And yeah, I think the worst thing about doing this journey so early in the morning is that, I mean, I'm wearing some very thick socks, wearing trainers, but I can't feel my toes at all. To the point I'm actually scared they'll fall off, or I have to cut them off after this. So I'm trying my best to keep warm and be as sensible as I can, guys. All right, so here we go. Hey guys, so after Google getting me not lost, but taking me around a couple of housing estates and just sort of, oh goodness me, this is icy. I'm gonna have to go very slowly here. Yeah, just around a couple of different residential areas. It wasn't so bad, but it was a lot of, you know, left and right and left and right and right and left and multiple kind of turns. It's brought me here. Yeah. Oh, that is the ice. Good thing I didn't take the stairs, because I probably would have fell down them. Now we're literally crossing the bridge that I normally take to Hertford East, or the one that I ended up taking yesterday. That is the stairs going down, or I can go down this way. So I'm gonna shoot some B-roll here and be back with you in a few minutes time. Hey, right, I think we've missed the train, guys. Yeah, funny that. Seems like in my life I keep missing trains lately. That is literally, but even more so metaphorically. Right guys, we are in the northern part of the valley. So if I can come any closer, you can see the red bit where it says you are here. Right there, we're in this little catchment. And over this side we're parallel to the A10. That's the basically the north, the A road that goes from central London all the way north. Yeah, and then you've got the M25, which, have we now passed the M25? Yeah, I'm certain we have. So yes, have fun, be safe. It's good advice. Well, if I don't fall over anywhere, I'll have a bit more fun. How about that? Oh yes. What a view. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. I know I'm not moving. I'm not tired at all. Just trying to take it all in. Does this park here go the same way as the canal?
Yeah, look for the lights.
Yeah? Is it nicer?
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah, just go right where I'm currently.
Right. Makes sense. Thanks a lot. There you go. You heard the nice man. I mean, as great as going along the canal is, I think I'm going to go this way.
Yeah, across the bridge and just follow the lights.
Okay. It'll take me back towards London, will it? Lovely. Thank you.